Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to enable the spatial scene icon on iPhones. So if you don't have this icon here, this is a hexagonal little icon, and if you tap on it, this will create the spatial scene on iPhone. So if you don't have this icon here, maybe it's disabled from the settings, and to enable it, just go to settings, and here swipe and go to apps. Here swipe again and go to photos. Here there are. And here swipe and go here where you have control for creating spatial photos. So this feature needs to be enabled. If it's disabled, and I will go back to photos, as you can see now I don't have that little icon there. And if I enable it back, now I go back to photos and it's back, and I can create a spatial scene. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.